One of the most important features within KOL Intelligence is the search bar. Here you can add tokens, let's say mantle. You can type in keywords like AI agents, then use functions such as all and so let's say we want to see tweets by KOLs that mention AI agents or diff AI. We can also change it to and, so the tweet must consist of both at the same time, AI agents and diff AI. Let's maybe check. You can see data about KOLs that mentioned both. We can also pick a KOL list, so we're not only checking all the KOLs that mentioned both keywords, but we can also add another layer of KOLs that, for example, participated in a specific campaign, that are our team members or ambassadors. Let's go back though to the original search bar. You can also paste here a Twitter handle or choose a KOL and then see their page straight away. GM Elon. All right, and I think that's it. Bye.